Looking to turn your backyard into a winter wonderland? Believe it or not, with Easy Ice's innovative system, you can have an ice rink set up and ready for skating in just 60 minutes. This cool setup is like a giant Lego set for ice skating enthusiasts, with plastic pieces that effortlessly snap together. Safety is key, as the rink is secured with nylon ropes and features taller sides and soft foam coverings for added protection. Plus, there's a net over the goal to catch any stray pucks. While Easy Ice trusts their customers' aim, even pros can sometimes send the puck flying. The starting price of $2,550 makes this backyard ice rink an accessible and exciting addition to any winter setup. Imagine this. In just 15 minutes, you can transform your home with a brand new addition, a personal sauna. Thanks to innovative creators, setting up a sauna at home is now a breeze. Simply assemble the frame, stretch the fabric for walls, ceiling, and floor, plug in the steam generator, and furnish with chairs and benches for a cozy retreat. While these saunas may not reach the extreme temperatures of traditional ones, hitting 124 degrees Fahrenheit with Sauna Rocket and 109 degrees Fahrenheit with Vital Plus models is still impressive. 4 quick setups, ensuring a comfortable warmth for relaxation. Plus, these solutions are affordable, with Sauna Rocket's tours priced at $249 and Vital Plus options at $395. Just keep in mind, along with the sauna, you'll need to invest in a steam generator, which can add to the cost but is worth it for the ultimate home spa experience. For those considering accessibility solutions for older family members or themselves, there's an innovative invention targeting the elderly, Bruno's custom-made stair lifts. These elevators are designed to seamlessly replace stairs, particularly in country houses with hilly terrains where stairs might pose a challenge. Each Bruno elevator is tailor-made to fit the staircase size, resembling a sleek monorail that gently carries the chair up or down. With various seat options from simple backless seats to large padded ones, complete with seat belts, comfort and safety are prioritized. The controls conveniently sit on the seat handle, and at the end of the ride, the elevator smoothly turns 90 degrees for easy exit. While it may not excite younger users with high speeds, it's perfect for its intended audience, providing a reliable and comfortable mobility solution. Popup Greenhouse. When it comes to setting up a greenhouse, sometimes simplicity and compactness are key. These types of greenhouses are incredibly easy to assemble, no complex instructions needed. Just take it out of the bag, unfold it, set it up, and secure it in place. It's as straightforward as that. Depending on your needs, there are different sizes available. The tiny versions are perfect for shielding a couple of small plants from pests, while the umbrella-style ones cover a wider area, around 4 feet, offering protection to more plants. Larger greenhouses are also an option. They're like traditional ones but scaled down, with added frames for better wind resistance, ventilation that can be opened as needed, and a convenient zipper door for easy access. These solutions are budget-friendly too. The smallest ones, providing basic protection, start at $15, while the larger ones with ventilation, frames, and entrances range around $70. If you've ever dealt with the hassle of keeping a pool clean from leaves, grass, and other debris, you'll appreciate COVANA's innovative solution, the Liftup pool cover. This device, mounted on 4 legs with a built-in hydraulic system, makes covering your pool a breeze. When lowered, COVANA shields your pool from dust and dirt, saving you the trouble of frequent filter cleanings. But here's where it gets interesting. When raised, it transforms into a luxurious tent straight out of Arabian Nights, complete with LED lights in the ceiling for a romantic vibe or party atmosphere, and smart curtains that elegantly drop down. It creates an inviting space for relaxation in the warm water. Imagine having versatile containers on your property that you can transform into safe spaces for various purposes. It's entirely possible with these innovative creations. When the container arrives in its disassembled state, all you need to do is choose a spot for installation and then begin the straightforward assembly process. Putting together the walls and floor is a breeze, followed by securing everything in place and adding insulation and a door lock. The best part? It only takes a few minutes for experienced hands, and even with minimal experience, it's typically done within an hour. These containers are designed with durability in mind, made of steel to withstand wind and moderate physical damage, with a sturdy wooden floor capable of holding up to 1,100 pounds per 10 square feet. From storing gear, construction supplies, or tools to creating a cozy workshop or chill-out zone, the possibilities are endless. And if you need to adjust the conditions inside, you can easily install air conditioning or heating systems, making these containers adaptable to your needs. Ever tried those smartphone apps with special sounds to scare off mosquitoes? Turns out mosquitoes weren't too impressed. But now, there's a smart mosquito repellent system that's aiming for a more effective approach. The concept is straightforward. It's like a regular anti-mosquito plug-in, but with advanced technology integrated into an elegant housing. This system uses liquid heating elements and an atomization process to keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay. You can set up multiple units in different areas of your garden, connecting them underground with wires for comprehensive coverage. The best part? It's controlled via Wi-Fi, making it convenient to manage. If the claimed power holds up, several of these devices could effectively clear mosquitoes from an area spanning about 100 square meters, making your outdoor spaces much more enjoyable without the buzzing discomfort. Imagine pondering where to hide your laundry drying area, only to stumble upon Dryway's brilliant solution, a cabinet with sliding shelves designed for drying clothes. It's the perfect answer to keeping your laundry area discreet and out of sight until needed. Depending on your laundry needs and available space, you can customize the drying area with a different number of racks. Whether you opt for just 2 racks for smaller loads or limited space, or go for the 8-rack solution for larger laundry volumes and ample room, Dryway has you covered. You also have intermediate choices with 4 or 6 racks for added flexibility. Setting up the entire system is a breeze. Assemble the drying cabinet, slot in the shelves, and you're good to go. No fancy tools needed. Once installed, the Dryway drying system not only stays unnoticed, but also operates silently and smoothly, saving space and ensuring your peace of mind. Getting your garden ready for a party is a breeze with the right setup. First things first, you'll need a bar, preferably a mobile one for convenience. The SUNCAST bar, made of pressed resin and plastic, is perfect for any weather conditions. It features drawers for dishes and utensils, along with a small fridge that can hold a couple of cans. If you're looking to chill a larger quantity of drinks, the Keter patio cooler and beverage cart with a refrigerator compartment is the answer. It's spacious enough to fit champagne bottles and even a whole turkey. Plus, Keter has included sliding shelves for glasses and cutlery, adding to its practicality. While the bar costs around $1,300 and the refrigerator is priced at $400, the convenience and style they bring to your outdoor gatherings make them worthwhile investments for hosting memorable parties in your garden. If you have a pool at home and you're concerned about safety, installing a fence is a wise decision, especially with kids or pets around. The process is straightforward. Start by identifying the area around the pool that needs fencing. Next, drill holes and insert each fence post, securing the installed sections with built-in safety hooks. This fence is designed to keep kids and animals safe from accidental falls into the pool. Each section is 15 feet wide and 4 feet tall, made of durable aluminum and PVC, with a sturdy 0.8-inch thick synthetic mesh that prevents crawling or climbing over. Animals would need to jump over it, but they can't tear or chew through the mesh. For added security, you can also add a 5-foot-high fence to deter jumping animals. While setting up such fencing can be an investment, with each section starting at $187, the peace of mind knowing your loved ones are protected is well worth the expense, even if it's a significant cost for a large pool area. When it comes to creating parking spaces with gravel or asphalt, it's not always a straightforward task. However, there's a solution that might just make it easier: plastic panels from the German manufacturer ASG. Each piece of this big jigsaw puzzle is sturdy, weighing around 6 to 12.5 kilograms, and made of reinforced fiberglass. These panels can handle significant weight up to 12.5 tons on the ground and up to 40 tons on asphalt. While it's not a quick job to lay these panels, especially before a party with many cars, as it's a lengthy and labor-intensive process, they become invaluable when you need to accommodate heavy vehicles like trucks or tractors. Trying to fix ruts in gravel or asphalt would be even more challenging. Plus, these panels are all-weather, ensuring durability and stability regardless of the conditions. For homes located in areas with frequent heavy rainfall, this solution is a necessary improvement that shouldn't be overlooked. Heavy rain can easily overwhelm drainage systems, leading to water accumulation in unwanted areas, unstable soil, or even flooding inside buildings. These issues can have serious consequences for a property's infrastructure and lead to colossal repair expenses. Installing a drainage system made up of geocellular units is a proactive measure that can help avoid such costly damages. These units allow water to trickle down gradually, either gathering in a controlled manner or being released into the drain in measured quantities, ensuring the drainage system isn't overloaded. One of the biggest advantages, besides protecting your property, is how relatively easy it is to set up. While it does involve digging up a significant amount of ground and installing the units along with some additional work, it's much simpler and quicker compared to other systems with similar functions. Moreover, since it's a modular solution, installation becomes even easier. You can simply add as many units as needed to tailor the system to your property's specific requirements. Imagine living in a cozy beehive, gently swaying from a tree branch in the breeze. While that might not be practical, the TREEPOD suspended house offers a similar feeling of comfort and weightlessness. It's like a hammock and a tent combined. The house hangs from a sturdy branch or a specially designed stand. The creators of this project noticed that tents on the ground can get chilly at night, with moisture rising and freezing the ground. The TREEPOD cleverly avoids this issue with its sturdy fabric structure that maintains its shape, providing a more comfortable experience. Unlike a beehive, you won't have thousands of other guests buzzing around, making it a peaceful and unique living space. Introducing a handy solution, the quiet fence. This fence isn't just for covering up unsightly equipment. It also works wonders in muffling annoying noises from generators, air conditioners, and similar devices. The noise reduction it provides can vary depending on the situation. For instance, with quiet fence, the noise from an air conditioner dropped from 73 decibels to 64 decibels, and for a generator, it went from 77 decibels to 66 decibels. While this might not seem like a huge difference at first glance, it's actually a significant decrease that makes the equipment much less irritating. Additionally, this gadget is waterproof, making it ideal for use during rainy weather or near water-based equipment. It's also built tough to withstand physical damage, reducing the risk of accidental breakage. However, strong winds could pose a risk, so it's best to either safely stow it away or ensure it's firmly secured to prevent any mishaps. Wrapping up our list is the Relight Cam. In this scenario, the creators didn't set out to create a groundbreaking technology. Instead, they refined an existing device, the Relight Cam D1 wireless camera from REI, a newcomer in the electronics market that proves incredibly useful. It offers multiple mounting options. You can embed it in the ground, affix it to a tree, or hang it on a railing. It streams high-definition images, syncs seamlessly with your smartphone, and features a robust flashlight, siren, and motion sensor at the base. If any suspicious activity occurs, the camera promptly detects it. While it's great for security purposes, its real forte lies in capturing wildlife scenes, such as squirrels, gophers, or nesting parrots. Priced at $99, the Relight Cam D1 delivers exceptional value for its features and adaptability.